Good morning, everyone. Afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Andrew Tahako here with TNT Group posting this webcast for NakedTrader.com. The date is February 9th, 2011, and it is about 5:30 in the morning over here in Chicago. Um, Overnight here, no numbers whatsoever really to affect the markets. We did have a UK number, but it didn't really move anything that I particularly watch. Did move the pound a little bit, but nothing European wise, and nothing really early this morning either for the U.S. So nothing really to move these markets number wise. We did just, however, see a report, and this was off of Reuters, I believe, that Axel Weber, the guy with ECB. He's really well known as a hawk, very hawkish, and he was in line, most people thought, to become a candidate to replace Trichet. Turns out the report came out and said this is not true, that he will not be a candidate to replace Trichet. He instead will be joining Deutsche Bank. Euro got just annihilated on it. Not annihilated at first, I would say. I mean, 30, 35 ticks, if you want to call that getting annihilated. But it did get slapped on it. We saw the Boons rally, 15 ticks about. They were pretty much rallying the whole night. I tried to sell them once, took a little bit off of it, but that was about the only time you could really sell the Boons. The rest of the night they checked higher, but I was actually short Euros before the comment, just based off of what the Boon was doing, where the Euro stocks were, where the SPOOs were, and what oil and gold are doing as well. I made money off the Weber comments, but that was mainly just because I was short ahead of the comments. Right now, another report just came out that the Bundesbank is denying reports about imminent press release about this whole Axel Weber thing. The euro popped right back up. Boons hit right back down. The euro actually popped right back up to the area that I was going to tell you about, 136.40 in the euro. It was a huge spot. That's where I was pretty much short ahead of these comments. Couldn't get through. We would go at 40. We'd pop back up to 47 bid real quick. We'd be at 40, 47 bid. Just that whole area, we would get hit back down. And once someone printed the 39s, which I would like to do, but I was already max short. Once those 39s got printed and they went offered, they got hit down to 33s, and that's when the news came out. And then it got dumped down to, I believe the low is 136.04. Right back up to 136.30 now. So we saw that pop back up just off of the Bundesbank comments that there will not be an imminent press release. So that's the major news here. Be aware of it going in this morning. I'm sure you're going to hear more about it, especially if there was talk about imminent press releases and it was an actual source that came out with this story. So be aware of it going in the morning. 136.40 is the area in the euro, and to tell you the truth, this euro overnight is a real pain in the ass. Chop fest all around. It's a real tough market right now to trade. I tried staying out of it for the most part here tonight because I got smoked, like I said, yesterday in the euro. Made money everywhere else, but lost my whole day just in the euro. So I tried to stay out of it a little bit. It's just so choppy that you have no feel for anything. Like I was saying, that 40-47 area, that's pretty much what it does all night. It has little ranges where it's just back and forth, and then it'll break out of some of those ranges sometimes, and you're either caught on the wrong side of it or you're not in it, or whatever the case may be. But it is pretty choppy. It's really a tough trade overnight. That's it from here, though. Andrew Tahako posting this webcast for NakedTrader.com. Once again, Axel Weber news, and then the 136.40 area in the euro is the major things I want you guys to take out of this webcast, I guess. So, once again, good trading. Andrew Tahako here. Take it easy. Thanks.